Jesus. That's enough. Let's go back.
Your favorite Naruto character?
Nah.
Who's your favorite?
Sasuke.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah.
Sasuke is also
Sasuke?
Yeah.
You get whooped.
going back to Sasuke.
Okay,
recording me?
How do you stop it? No. Stop it.